Another part of the off-road adventure is a trail ride up to Bald Knob Lookout. It's a very scenic overlook here at Mountain Lake Lodge in Pembroke, Virginia. The elevation, just a little over 4,400 feet above sea level. And it is a very scenic overlook. You can also take a walking path down the Bald Knob Trail. It's about a half-mile long. Get you down to the main road, back to the lodge. Looks like a little storm off in the distance there. Otherwise, it's a pretty nice day out here. Mostly clear, pretty clouds, plenty of sunshine, plenty of peace and quiet. One of the options for the John Deere Gator Tour off-road adventure here at Mountain Lake Lodge in Pembroke, Virginia. Nature, peace and quiet.